family Compositae, or we otherwise call it as Asteraceae. So they comes under the kingdom Plantae, Angiospermae, and these are Gamopetalae, means fused. Inferae class Astrales and Asteraceae. And the family is known as Daceae family. It includes plants that are normally cultivated as ornamentals as well as oil value. They are the annual garden herbs. Asteraceae species have widespread distribution from subpolar to the tropical regions in the wide variety of habitats, normally known as sunflower family. So plants are mostly annuals, perennial herbs. Rarely shrubs. Helianthus anus is the shrub. And tree, Veronia. They have taproot system and the roots are branched. The stem is erect, branched and cylindrical. They may be herbaceous or woody. They are pubescent, covered with soft short hairs and green in color. Simple leaves, entire and stipulate. Stipules are present. They are culine or ramal, alternate or exstipulate. The leaves are sessile or petiolate, acute or serrate, with unicostate reticulate venation. And inflorescence, racemose head, capitulum. We have 3 series of involucre of leafy bracts in the sunflower capitulum. So capitulum may be covered by a green involucre, consists of single series of bracts. 2 kinds of florets are there: ray florets and disc florets. The peripherally arranged is the ray florets, and the center, towards the center, you will be having the disc florets. So regular, epigynous, inferior ovary, sessile, may be bisexual or unisexual, actinomorphic or zygomorphic. Ray florets, bractate or ebractate. Disc florets are bractates. Ray florets are bractate or ebractate, sessile and incomplete. Unisexual, I have pistillate or neuter. Ligulate, zygomorphic, epigynous. Here it is also inferior ovary, yellow or orange in color. Calyx is normally, sepals are normally absent. If present, they are represented as 2 or 3 small hairy pappus and superior. Corolla, 3 to 5 are present in the number of, represent the number of petals, gamopetalous. Ligulate with large flat strap shaped limb, basal hairy tube. Valvate, superior and yellow to orange in color. Stamens are generally absent. Gynoecium, we have bicarpellary syncarpous inferior ovary. Ovary is unilocular with only one ovule with basal placentation. Style is simple, slender, whereas stigma is bifid and curved. So disc floret, you will be having bractate or ebractate, sessile or actinomorphic. May be complete or incompletely bisexual. Tubular, epigynous, actinomorphic, small and yellow to orange. Calyx, reduced or absent or modified into 2 to 3 white scales superior. Corolla is 5, representing the number of petals, gamopetalous. Tubular, valvate, superior. 5 stamens we have, epipetalous condition, alternating with petals. Superior filament is short and free anthers are large, dithecous, prolonged connective syngenetious intros. So gynoecium is bicarpellary syncarpous, ovary is inferior. And unilocular with large ovule, basal placentation, and the style is simple, whereas stigma is bifid. Cypsella. So most of the species are have wide pollinator spectrum that include bees, flies, butterflies, beetles, bugs, entomophilus. Here is the floral formula. So ray florets, they are bractate, zygomorphic. They are bisexual. Calyx is 2 to 3 and it is reduced as pappus. Corolla is 3 to 5, and those are fused. Androecium is 0. Gynoecium, you will be having the inferior ovary and 2. And here also it is bractate, actinomorphic, bisexual. Calyx is 2 to 3 pappus. Corolla is 5 and all are fused. Androecium is 5. Gynoecium is inferior and 2 bicarpellary and fused. Helianthus anus, sunflower, yield edible oil. Helianthus tuberosus, Jerusalem artichoke, root of the tuber is edible. Carthamus tinctorius, safflower, yield orange dye and oil is used for the manufacture of soap. Varnish and also edible. Artemisia vulgaris, mugwort. Artemisia maritima, sea wormwood. Flower yield santonin, a drug used for curing intestinal worms, asthma and brain disorders. Chrysanthemum, roots yield pyrethrum, which is an insecticide. Anhydride fluctuans. So leaves are usually vegetable and also will cure insomnia. Eclipta alba, leaves are used as hair tonic. Tegitis erecta, Mexican marigold flowers are used for the eye diseases, purification of blood and in ulcers. Calendus species, Tegitus patula. Chrysanthemum etc. have ornamental value. These are the decorative plants.